Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring both devices have power and Bluetooth active. This prevents interruptions. With your AirPods in the case and the lid open, bring them within a few inches of your iPhone so the devices can detect each other automatically. On your iPhone, open Settings and tap Bluetooth to confirm the menu is visible. This helps you see the pairing prompt immediately. Once done, keep the case lid open and watch the iPhone screen for the AirPods animation and connection button. You'll see an animated setup card or the AirPods listed under Other Devices. Tap it to initiate pairing. The iPhone exchanges authentication and configures features like automatic ear detection and double tap or press settings, which improves usability. Make sure to accept any prompts to enable Siri access if you want voice control. This links functions across the Apple ecosystem. If the iPhone asks to name the AirPods, choose a clear name so you can identify them in Control Center. Once paired, you should see AirPods listed as connected in Bluetooth and selected in Control Center audio output. You can tap to switch devices. Test by playing music and making a quick call to verify sound and microphone behavior and adjust fit for better audio. If pairing fails, close the case, hold the setup button until the LED flashes amber then white to reset, then repeat the pairing steps. This clears previous pairings and often fixes discovery issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.